So what's one of the best ways to find clients that cost you almost nothing? Holding open houses. You know, less than 1% of houses sell as a result of an open house. So you might be saying, John, why should I hold an open house if there's less than a 1% chance that I'm going to sell the house that I'm holding open? Look, the people coming in and visiting your open house, they're probably not going to coincidence, everything isn't going to line up, the stars aren't going to align, or they want to buy that specific house. Occasionally that happens, about 1% of the time, according to the National Association of Realtors, but you have people that are walking in that are interested in buying a house. Maybe not the house that's open, maybe it's too big, maybe it's too small, maybe they don't like the layout or the floor plan or something, but they're probably looking for some house that's somewhat similar in that area. And you being a realtor, you'll have access to all the houses available on the MLS, so you can easily say, hey, well look, I've got a couple other houses here, how about after I finish up here, we go take a look at some of them. So take advantage of everyone that walks into that open house and turn them into a client.